So if we want to give any neurodivergent parent a tip, what would it be?
I think now we are going to our views, kan? Our views on what we think about this whole English versus BM. It's not even English versus BM lah. It's the fact that I think it's easier for our kids to acquire English compared to BM, given the exposure. I think go with what our kid is most comfortable with.
Okay. Kan? So katalah any parent dia tengah nak cari sekolah. Macam, Didi and I, our experience was we both tried national school aliran perdana, and then we, after a certain level, memang anak tu bila tak boleh cope, kita ada option lah. So kita menggunakan option tu. Tapi kepada mereka yang pergi PPKI tu macam mana?
Okay, so interestingly, hari ni saya contact dengan rakan yang where I did my masters together with this lady. She's from Melaka. Dia pengajar kelas pemulihan. And also has a lot of contacts dengan guru PPKI. So what they do dari segi pengajaran lah. So each student dalam kelas PPKI atau kelas pemulihan, they have this RPI, rancangan pengajaran individu, which is IEP, Individualized Education Plan. Right? So all of their material semua dalam bahasa Melayu. Tetapi cikgu-cikgu ni dah biasa because they see a lot of children coming in who are more exposed to English and more comfortable to communicate in English. So I think this is salah satu reasonable accommodation that is made by the cikgu-cikgu in school. They help them to translate lah when they are younger, and then they even for those who are non-verbal, they make little cue cards for them so that they can communicate, and eventually they help them learn bahasa Melayu as well.